going on, you guys? It's Dylan here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. Today we're going to be working on the truck per usual. Today we got a new sponsor, LasFit lighting. They hooked us up with some new fog lights. They're going to be the LED switchbacks for the truck, and let's get right into the video. Let me show you the fog lights. First thing before we get into the video and get towards the fog lights, here's the factory fog lights. Here's the difference in them. Nasty orange, yellow. We don't want none of that, especially if you got LED headlights. So let's go ahead and show you guys the new fog lights. Let's get this package opened. All right, guys, here's the box. LasFit, hooking it up. Let's get this box open. Their product manual, and then LasFit company over there, the guys out there sent over some stickers. That's clutch, I like that. And then here's the H10. These are the H10 bulbs. They're the same. They're the 9145s or H10s for your fog lights for the 2007 to 2011 Tundras. So they've got built-in resistors. See, they even got LED built on them, and they've even got LasFit. That's cool. All right, so we got those, and we got the actual fog lights in the packaging. Let's check these out. One of these and look at them. Obviously, they got the fan on them, keep them cool. And then there's your plug for one of them. Then obviously you'll jump it into here, and then this will plug into your factory your plug for your fog lights. So let's go ahead and get one of these put in and show you guys the difference. All right, guys, so for the connection, they're super easy. Here's your two connections, and your two plugs. We'll just plug them in nice and tight. You take your screw and snug it all the way up to the end of the other screw, and boom, nice and tight. Never have to worry about anything, any water getting inside. It keeps this resistor safe, and also with your fog light wire. All right, guys, we got one of the fog lights all put together. Literally as simple as that. Just plug them in, but that's just easy as that. Tie up and find a spot to hang this resistor up, and just plug in the lights. All right, guys, I'm over here about to plug them in. Keep this in mind, this is one of the biggest factors. Your connector has a positive and a negative terminal, and it'll show you positive and negative on the actual plug on the new fog light. So make sure you plug those back in correctly, and don't flip them, because then you'll have an issue with the light not working. If you do put it in backwards, it's an easy fix, just flip it around. All right, guys, so I have the new fog light installed. That is LasFit lighting. Those are insanely bright. Here's a comparison of the factory fog light. So pretty significant difference in lighting. They're pretty bright. Yeah, super easy. I'll show you guys what I did to tie mine up and hang it up. I just kind of hung it up out of the way. That zip tie is going to get cut in a few minutes. Just was adjusting and swapping the plug over. Of course, I told you guys to plug it in correctly, and I plugged it in the wrong way, so I just had to do that. It didn't turn on, and all I did was flip the connection, and now they're on. So awesome. All right, guys, now I have both fog lights installed. Super bright, as you can tell. Camera can barely pick up the quality on them, but I'm about to show you guys the switchback function here in a second. I'm gonna tidy up the wiring on this fog light I just plugged in, and I'll show you the process of the switchbacks to get them to turn yellow and then back to white. All right, guys, so all you want to do to get your switchbacks and the function to change, all you want to do, turn your headlights on once. Now, using the fog light switch, turn them off, turn them back on, and boom, they're yellow. To turn them back to white, off, on again, and now they're back to white. Now I'll show you that process on the outside of the truck. Alright guys, well here's the finished product. Here's what they look like on the yellow setting. You've seen the white setting constantly. Look, just, I mean, these are great for fog or anything, or if you do trail riding, and dust, all sorts of stuff. But I think it gives it that aggressive look on the truck. I think it looks pretty cool. And that's definitely helped me on mornings, on foggy mornings when I'm going to work early in the morning, and the regular, the regular white lights just, they don't do justice. But, I'll add in a clip or I'll post on my Instagram. And one day if I get a nice foggy morning with the temperature changing, I'll go ahead and record a little clip and I'll post it on the Instagram and show the difference and, what these fog lights do. And then I'll also show you a clip at night on how bright these things are. Super excited to see how these work. Super stoked on how easy it was, and that they have a built-in resistor and you don't have to splice that into your battery at all. So super cool. Thanks to LasFit for hooking it up for the channel. By the way, all my socials, all my links, headlights, fog lights, grille, all kinds of things that I've done to the truck are in the link in the descriptions. I have all the links placed below. Let me know what else you guys would like to see for content wise on the truck. And yeah, don't forget LasFit code. I'll put it on the screen right here. It's Dill 15 for 15% off. LasFit. You can click the link on my Instagram page. I'll have a link on my bio. Just click that link. All my links will be there. It'll have my recent videos, my YouTube channel, LasFit, the bulbs for our trucks, and then it also have the link for LasFit's page, and just use my code. Huge shout out to LasFit for hooking it up. Be putting one of these stickers on a couple things around the house and maybe on the truck somewhere, but till then, I'll get a nighttime clip here in a few once it's dark. All right guys, here's a little nighttime clip. Super freaking bright. Camera can't even say that on the quality. There we go guys. LED switchbacks by LasFit. Super cool. It's on the truck. Great projection. I mean, it's super clear. I mean, you can even tell that the yellow's on the ground. I mean, looks pretty cool. All you gotta do is switch them back on or off and back on, and they're back to white. Stupid bright. Pretty cool. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video on the fog lights. If you did, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, leave a like, comment anything you want to see done to the truck. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, I'll leave all the links down below, and I'll leave the code, 15% off code for the fog lights or any headlights if you want to pick up some from LasFit. Huge thanks to LasFit again. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And yeah, Dylan out.